Hello and welcome to another video. My name is Nigel, also known as a Lake Erie vlogger, and coming in very shortly is the Danish chemical tanker BONITA ANN. She's just lining up. Very shortly the alarm on this bridge will go off and I'll have to run very quickly, but we'll have to try and get a quick look at it before the alarm goes off. I did manage to catch up with the vessel further up the canal system and got the drone over it. So anyway, here's our look at it. She is just lining up right there, as you can see. Good looking vessel. And in the last video, what was that one? The BBC Ukraine. Right, I just crossed over to the other side of the bridge because BBC Ukraine is still in Lock 8, making its way out. Right, you can see the lock gates are closed still. This is a regulating lock. Basically, the water level only goes up a couple of feet or two. It's not much. It's just to level off the vessel as it makes its way into Lake Erie, because the level's always on Lake Erie, forever changing, so they just kind of like have to regulate it through this lock. So anyway, once those lock gates open and the water goes back to normal, the one over there can make its way through. BONITA ANN, the Danish chemical tanker, waiting to come in.
Seaway Welland, BONITA ANN.
BONITA ANN, Seaway Welland, over.
Good morning. I was just wondering, is this vessel going to require a list for Lock 8?
BONITA ANN, Seaway Welland, negative. No list required for your vessel, over.
Roger, yeah, thank you.
Out on the Welland Canal near Dane City, BONITA ANN is easing her way upbound towards Port Colborne. She is a Danish-flagged chemical and oil products tanker that spends her life shuttling liquid cargo between ports in North America and Europe. BONITA ANN was built back in 2010, so she's about 15 years old now, old enough to have a bit of history, but still modern by tanker standards. Over the years, she has sailed under a few different names, starting life as Clipper Ann and later trading as Nordic Ann before taking on the name, let's guess, BONITA ANN. In terms of her size, she measures about 134 meters in length and she has a beam of 22 meters. That works out to be 440 feet by 73 feet. As the drone closes in on her bulbous bow, standing high out of the water since she's running light today, that bulb helps cut through the waves and save fuel when she's loaded down deep. It's a smart bit of design, you don't always spot this clearly. Pulling back to the full view, or near enough the full view, you can see the long run of deck piping, manifolds and safety gear that mark out her as a product tanker designed to handle different grades safely and efficiently. From here, she will work through the rest of the Welland Canal into Lake Erie. Just one ship and a steady flow that keeps fuel and chemicals moving quietly through this corridor between the Great Lakes and the Atlantic. And as she sails up the canal towards Port Colborne, we will catch up with BONITA ANN again at lock number 8 to see her make her final lift into Lake Erie.
This is a bascule bridge, also referred to as Bridge 19 here in Port Colborne, and it's a plate girder single leaf rolling lift bascule bridge. And it was constructed back in 1927 and completed in 1930. And it's still operational today. Yep, she's getting closer to me. So any moment now, this alarm's going to go off. I'm going to have to run off this bridge. She's creeping in ever so slowly. While we wait, I just want to address something. Some of the comments over the past year, I have been asked a few questions regarding how I do my filming. Especially with the drone. I'm allowed to fly a drone here. Yes, this is not the Sulocs. The Sulocs do have notices on the fence that say no drone flying. I am permitted to fly a drone around here. I think the rule of thumb is basically just don't get right in their faces. But it is, I do have the Nav Canada drone app, so it tells you where I can fly. There is certain areas where I have to seek permission, especially up towards Lock 2, 1, 2 and 3. Quite often you have to ask for permission in those areas. But around here is no problem whatsoever. So I've also been asked to ever get in trouble when I'm filming in certain places. The only time I've been told off, it was a funny one, it was actually at that Bascule Bridge down there. It was last year. And I had put my GoPro, which is on a clip, and I clipped it right to the middle of the bridge. And I walked off, and I noticed the cameras looking at me. They always are, which is nothing wrong with that. Then I thought I heard something over the antennae, but because the bridge is so loud, I didn't hear what was said. But anyway, I went back there to pull the camera off anyway, because it was vibrating too much, because I had it linked up to my phone. So I pulled it off and stepped back, and then all of a sudden an employee came out and he's like, I still couldn't hear him because of the noise on the bridge. And eventually he came out. It's very, very nice, very friendly. He goes, oh yeah, they get worried when you put stuff on the bridge, which when I think back, yeah, I can imagine that. So anyway, all I had done was just clip a jaw clip for my GoPro to stick onto it. But I told him what I was doing and he was fine. But that's the only time someone's actually ever questioned me what I do out here. Most of the time, I get a wave at now and people say hello. So I think people are starting to recognize me that work on the canal, who I am, which is nice. Anyway, back to the subject in hand, BONITA ANN. Just waiting for the water to regulate itself and be the same level as the rest of the canal. That gate will open and that ship will make its way through. All right, here we go. The gates are open and the alarm's going off. So it's time for the next vessel to enter lock number 8. It's going to be busy down here today. The bridge is going up once again. I have to believe this bridge is nearly 100 years old. The engineering from 100 years ago is still in practice to this very day. Comes in at quite a speed actually when you stand on this end of the lock watching it. That's not a slow maneuver. Quite the complex system they have there. Look at all that. Oh, emergency shower. Well, I guess you need it. Get a bit of a spray of chemicals or oil on you, whatever it is. The pain in the arse that would be to fix if something went wrong. Still coming in at a fair speed, isn't it? Ready to slow it right down any second now. Oh, the sun came out, nice. Well, there you have it. The Danish chemical tanker BONITA ANN. And that is it for this particular video. Hope you enjoyed it. Until the next one, stay safe. See you all very soon.